Hello students, I, Dr. Anjana Rita Kalko, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyaguna, CBPACS, New Delhi, welcoming you all in the continuation of e-learning classes. We are already discussed in detail plants under the Kushtagna Dravyas, Haridra, Daru Haridra, Bhalladak, Bakuchi, and today, according to the syllabus in non-detailed plant, today we will discuss about some another Kushtagna Dravyas. So what is Kushtagna? Actually, Kusht is refer to the condition which disfigures the skin surfaces. Hence, all the skin diseases are broadly called Kusht. So, Kusht is skin diseases and Ghana means to destroy. So, the destroy of skin diseases is Kushtagna Dravya, or the Dravyas which are help to destroy the skin diseases are known as Kushtagna Dravya. So, today we will discuss these four Kushtagna Dravya: Tuvrak, Jati, Madhyantika and Chakramardh. Tuvrak. The botanically it is known as Hydnocarpus laurifolia. It belongs to Flacotiaceae family. In Hindi, it is called Chalmogra. Surti oil tree, it is called in English. Some synonyms are Katukapitha and Kushtvari, because it is helpful in destroying the Kusht. That's why it is given the name Kushtvari. So Tuvrak is an evergreen tree and the bark is pale brownish color and rough in nature. The leaves are simple, alternate, ovate and serrated. The greenish white flowers are present, which are small in structure and solitary. The fruits are berries in nature, and fruits contains 15 to 20 number of seeds, and the color of the seeds are yellowish, which are obtusely angular in shape. Now the properties of Tuvrak. The rasa is Tikta, Katu and Kashai. Guna is Lagu, Snigdha and Tikshna. Vipak is Katu. Virya is Ushna. And on Dosha Karma, Tuvrak is Kapha, Shamak. The useful parts of Tuvrak is seed and seed oil. And the doses are in powder form, it is 1 to 3 gram, and in oil 30 to 60 drops. Karma of Tuvrak is Kushtagna, that is helpful in the treatment of skin diseases, and Kandugna, Krimigna, that means it is antihelminthic, Vrana Ropak and Vrana Shodhak, it is helpful in wound healing. Indications are, it is used in Kusht skin diseases, Krimi in worms, in Vrana wound, Meha in diabetes, Arsha in piles, and Jwara, that means it is used in fever also. This is the picture of tuvrak or chalmogra. Next is Jati. Botanically it is known as Jasminum officinale. It belongs to the family Oleaceae. In Hindi it is known as Chameli, and in English it is called Spanish jasmine or Italian jasmine. Synonyms are Malti, Chetika and Suman. Because of the presence of the fragrance, these synonyms are given. Morphology of Jati is, it is a climber. The leaves are opposite, imparipinnate, and the leaflets are present in paired, glabrous or subsessile. The flowers are yellowish white in color and it contains a sweet fragrance. The fruits are two-lobed, glabrous, smooth, shining, and blackberries. Fruit contain one seed. The Ras Panchak of Jati is, the Rasa is Tikta and Kashai, Guna is Laghu, Vipak is Katu, Virya is Ushna. On dosha, it is Tridosha Shamak. The useful part of Jati is leaf, root and flower. The doses are in the form of powder, it is 1 to 3 gram, and in the form of decoction, it is 50 to 100 ml. The karma is Kushtagna, Vrana Ropak, that means wound healer, Vrana Shodhak, that means wound cleanser. And it is indicated in Kushtha, that means in skin diseases, Mukh Rog, that means the disease of mouth, Vrana in wound, Dant Shul in dental pain, and Shiro Rog, the diseases of head. This is the picture of Jati Jasminum officinale. Now the Madhyantika. The Latin name of Madhyantika is Lawsonia inermis. It belongs to the family Lytheraceae. In Hindi it is called Mehndi and in English it is called Hina. The synonym is Modganti. The morphology of Madhyantika is, it is either a large shrub 2 to 8 meter tall or sometimes even small. The leaves are opposite, simple, obovate and lanceolate. The flowers are dirty white, sweet scented and interminal. The fruits are globose capsule which are dehiscing irregularly. The seeds are trigonopyramidal in shape. The Rasa Panchak of Madhyantika is Tikta Katu Kashai in Rasa and the Guna is Laghu and Ruksha. Vipak is Katu, Virya is Shita. On Dosha Karma, the Madhyantika is Kapha, Pitta, Hara. The useful parts of Madhyantika is flower, leaves and seed. The doses are in the form of powder 1 to 3 gram and in the form of juice 50 to 100 ml. Karma of Madhyantika is Kushtagna, that is anti-leprotic, and Kandugna, anti-pruritus. It is indicated in Kushtha, the skin diseases, Kandu in pruritus, in Kamla, jaundice; in Rakt Atisar, the diarrhea with blood; in Mutra Krich, that is dysuria; Vrana, wound; Jvara, fever; and Daha, the burning sensation, etc. This is the picture of Madhyantika plant. Hope that you all are very much familiar of this plant, which is very much commonly available in very common places. Now the next Kushtagna Dravya is Chakramardh. Latin name of Chakramardh is Cassia tora and it belongs to the family Fabaceae. In Hindi it is called Chakwad and in English it is known as ringworm plant or sickle senna. Synonyms are Dadrugna because it is useful in skin disorder and Dadru is one of the type of skin disease. Padmat. Another synonym is Prapunnat. Next is Eidgaj and another one is Mesh Lochan. Chakramardh is an annual fetid herb or undershrub up to the height 1 to 3 feet. The leaves are pinnately compound and the leaflets are present in a pair of 3. The flowers are axillary, found in pairs, and the color of the flower is yellow. The fruits are 4 to 8 inches long and thin pods which have pointed tips, which are initially green in color and turn to brown at maturity. The seeds are hard, flat, thin, rounded grey seed and the number of seeds are present in one fruit is 20 to 30 in numbers. The Rasa Panchak of Chakramardh is Rasa is Katu, Guna is Lagu Ruksha, Vipak is Katu, Virya is Ushna, and on Dosha Karma, this is Kapha Vat Shamak. The useful part of Chakramardh is leaf and seed. The doses are in the powder form 1 to 3 gram and the juice of leaf is 5 to 10 ml. The karmas are Kushtagna, Vishagna, Lekhan and Yakrit Uttejak. Kushtagna, that is antileprotic, Vishagna antidote, Lekhan is cramping, Yakrit Uttejak is hepatic stimulant. Indications are Kushtha, Kandu, Dadru, Visha, Krimi, Gulma and Kash. This is the picture of Chakramardh, Cassia tora. This is also a very common plant which is available in every roadside area, and we can see in the corner this is the seed of Chakramardh. Thank you students for hearing me patiently. Hope you all are safe in your home. So be safe and stay home. All the best.